Hi there, I just want to show you how I use my Derma Roller. A Derma Roller is an instrument that creates micro pathways into the skin for the product to absorb better. Creates minor injuries in the skin, and it alerts your skin to plump up the collagen in order to heal those little injuries. I use mine every morning and every night, but I recommend you start at a 0.25 needle. I recommend that you buy the Derma rollers that are disposable. Just use it once and throw it away. They're like $12, and if you're doing it once a week, you're gonna, after a month, go up to 0.50 and then 0.75 and then 1.0, and by that time you're going to see some great results. And once you get to the 1.0, like I am, you're going to want to get one with a gold tip. Not disposable. You need to make sure that you clean and disinfect it with alcohol. I go in a pattern, meaning I start at my forehead and go horizontally across. You don't want to push down on it. You just want to roll it across. And then go horizontally across the face. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Go all the way across. And then on your neck, I'm going vertically. You can also do your chest or décolleté, you can do your hands, you can do your whole body. And now I'm going to go vertically across my forehead and vertically across my face. If your skin's really sensitive, I suggest numbing it first. Ebenel Numb 520. Takes about 20 minutes and you'll be really numb, and this won't hurt at all. Diagonally, so like this. I do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, but since it's daytime and I'm filming this and the sun might hit my face at some time today, I don't want it to go very deep, so I'm just lightly doing it. Across my neck. Comes in a clean little box, so I never have to put it on the counter, but I will clean this with alcohol. Everything that I love about the Derma Roller. It will make your eyebrows grow, which is wonderful. Big fan I am of Grande Lash. I had very short eyelashes because I had fake eyelashes for so long, and then my eyebrows were really, really thin, and I had none from here to here. Now my lashes are long and thick, and my eyebrows are thick and wonderful because of this instrument and this product. So every morning and every night, I roll my eyebrows. And then I put in my Grande Lash. And it just makes sense that if you're poking holes in your skin, your product is going to get in there. If you Google it, you will see that puncturing little holes in your skin does stimulate collagen. And I've noticed a big difference in my skin. Is Derma Rolling my lips, because the same company that makes the Grande Lash came out with Grande Lips. It's a hydrating lip plumper. It does temporarily make your lips look bigger, but over time it's supposed to plump them up. This is my second tube. Been using it a month, and I think they look a little bit thicker. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll over them with this Derma Roller. Put my lip, Grande Lip. All these holes are in it, so it's a great time to put in some excellent product. At nighttime, I put my retinol cream on. My retinol cream is compounded for me, and it has to be compounded because it's mixed with hydroquinone 6 and then 0.1%. I think it's the strongest one. Again, you're gonna want to start with the weakest one, but you have to get it from a doctor. lactic acid, and I put it in my moisturizer, and it has made such a difference in my skin. I buy the 90% lactic acid chemical peel online on Amazon, and then I dilute it and take it down to 45%. I cut it in half with water, and then I just squirt it into my moisturizer. I did a video on that. So now you want to put a really good product on your skin, because it will soak it right in there, and you just get so much more from your products by Derma Rolling. Microneedling is what they do in the dermatologies. Also the plastic surgeons, estheticians, they all do it. And it's more of like a stamping, and it goes a lot deeper, and it's probably a lot more effective. The only problem for me is that means downtime. That means looking really, really ugly for a while. And I'm sure that I will get to that point, but for now, I'm getting results from this, so I'm gonna stay with this. And it's really inexpensive. This Derma Roller is like $12. See how red I am? That'll last for about an hour. The holes do close up after an hour. Wait for an hour to put on makeup. It's really good to do it at night before you go to bed. And then I put my retinol cream on, but you don't want to start using retinol cream at the same time you start using a Derma Roller. That would just be too intense. I worked up to that point. So put the 45% lactic acid into my body lotion too. It just turns regular products into super products. Lactic acid pulls moisture into your skin, which is wonderful, which I need desperately. Thank you so much for watching.